Drying Herbs Workshop at Strawberry Mansion, Resources Center.
And I got chat for a little bit. My name is Leah.
Hey, Leah.
Hi, Leah. And I'm so excited to be here because when I lived on 32nd Street, this garden area was not here.
Pool.
It was a pool right here. Yes. It was a pool. Yep, and there was nothing. And then over some time there was nothing. So it's really exciting. And honestly, it's exciting to converse with you anyway because I'm like a new gardener, but an old gardener because I've learned that, and you just said this, we all like really have the DNA of our parents.
Yep.
So when I was a teenager, my mom was growing things in her backyard and making us dig things and get the cucumbers off the gate and do all of those things. And I was like, this is hard work. I'm never doing this.
Yeah, look what you do now.
And then, a year ago, because this is only our second year.
Yep.
Last year, she sent me home with like some starter pots. It's like, hey, do this. And we started, we were really excited. And then my husband stole the show. He did. He's not here. I told him to come. But he stole the show and he started fertilizing and growing. And we have a yard, but we do everything on our patio in pots. And we have watermelons and cucumbers and cantaloupe and what else do I have? I have 5 different types of tomatoes and you name it, we make all kinds of things. So I say that to say I'm your local backyard gardener, just showing you things that we have done at home over the last year, or this being our second year, and we literally, our goal, like when people like do vision boards, was to plant what we eat. And whatever it is. So in our garden we have all kinds of herbs, including stevia, which we put in tea.
I love
Absolutely. All right, so the gist of everything today is make and take. So I have a bag for every person. You would grab a bag and grab whatever your project would be. I don't know if you already have herbs that we would. But
we can go cut stuff.
Okay,
like
yep.
We have
But
everything.
the bag gives you the instructions for what to do. Right? So let's start there. Do I have a helper? Ali?
I'll get more steps.
Do I have a helper? Can you deliver some bags for me?
Oh, sweet.
Yes. Thank you. That would be so helpful. Yep, you can just take them to the table.
Thank you, darling. Just 2. Here you go. Thank you so much. I'm going to take one. You got to give her one. Give her one.
Thank you. Yep. So everything in your bag is really a sample for the things that you could like purchase here. A sample of things that either I've learned, used, need, etc. You can bring it back if you like. So the first thing on the bag or the directions are to get some herbs. As many, as few, as much as you want.
Okay, so we need to go out in the garden and grab some herbs.
Right, if that's okay, can we do that? All right.
Okay.
Wait a minute, I need shares.
Okay.
I bought some.
I didn't bring it.
I bought these. I got a I have these.
Here. So then let's get, is that your water?
Some scissors. I got mine.
Anybody need shares?
Yeah.
You give me some chives. Okay.
Cut some chives over here.
But no.
Well, we figured that more than one person might want to put it in their thing, so I'm trying to cut a couple of things. Since people didn't have nothing to cut, so I just came to start cutting. All right, so now, what kind of mint is this? This is the orange mint?
That's the orange. This is orange
This
mint.
is orange mint, okay. Yes.
Okay.
So we got orange mint.
And the pineapple mint.
I got some of that already. Missy got it in her hand.
And that looks like lavender. Is that lavender down there?
That's candy mint. or something like that.
Strawberry.
Strawberry mint. I'm sorry, I got it mixed up. Got it wrong. Strawberry mint.
Some of that time, I will certainly.
I should have grabbed some from my yard.
We got rosemary in there somewhere too.
Do it taste like?
That's what I meant to bring from the
I did
yard.
bring. I brought some in the front. I just have it on the table.
Smell it. You
What
strawberry
is
mint
this?
taste like strawberry?
That's another mint.
So you taste the strawberry?
This almost
Smell
smells
like candy.
What's that?
Which one?
What's this,
It
Terrence?
almost smells like oregano. But
Yeah, that's oregano.
this is
That's
oregano. I said it smells like oregano. Okay.
Okay, here, you cut that.
We got some sage here.
Oh, I do see the sage. Okay.
I gotta clean this up.
You got time, but not the time, not the pie. You got
Okay.
time.
Bundle your herbs in your hand. You want to tie those first, but we're not going to do them too tight yet.
With this?
Yes, with your zip tie.
Okay.
So each individual bundle.
Okay.
So-
Okay, gotcha.
Yes. Yep. And I like to go slowly because you want to give it a little room, but you don't want it to fall off. So you want it tight. Yep. And sometimes you can put it back in. Absolutely.
Okay.
And then you can make it a little bit tighter,
Okay.
but a little bit.
All right.
Because the reason why I would,
We'll make it that long.
that's okay. Yeah, I will cut this a little bit.
Uh-huh.
Yes, because the
Okay.
next step is, sorry, that's okay. He may not want to say. The next step is you're going to take another zip tie. Did you choose a wheel or a board?
I didn't choose it.
Okay. When you, what do you want?
In my yard. And hopefully,
So the next thing you're going to do is,
Get a string?
I started mine with the food safe twine.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
Oh,
we did.
No, you're right. That's correct.
All right.
She doesn't have that here. So I would put my twine onto my paper. Nope. What's that kind of clip called? Clothespin.
Praise God.
It's called the same paper clip.
So,
Clothespin, yep.
are there any more boards?
Yeah,
No,
right
but take
here.
mine.
Yes, I have two.
Oh, okay. She got two up there.
Technically, I have three.
All right, now look. What am I doing?
Yes, no.
You got to get the zip tie and get them together.
What are you doing, Candy?
Then she said do it like that?
Okay,
Or is it that too
you
tight?
might need to take some of the
Let me come check. The next thing that you're gonna do.
She's gonna come and check
another
one.
zip tie.
what you want over there, too.
You can either do a zip tie or you
Okay.
could go right on the string. That's what I was saying.
do what?
You could do.
Did you buy these boards in Macon?
I bought them.
Dollar Tree.
125.
Right.
Yep.
Okay.
So I also something else that I've just tried to do. I make little knots, little tiny knots, and then I'll put that zip tie through that knot. Just.
Oh, okay. And that's how you keep
Yep. And this zip tie.
Yep.
Yep. Yep. And this zip tie you can tighten as tight as you need to.
Yeah, I know this one, right?
Yep. So the second zip tie you can tie it. Yes. But again, the same thing. I would
okay,
cut these
regular
into,
sage.
closer, like flowers. Think like yeah, like a bouquet. Yeah. I do the same thing. So one thing about sage, you could leave it like this for sure.
Hey, it's a make and take herb drying thing. So she went and cut the herbs from the garden, and then she's showing us now. Everybody get one of those brown paper bags, like a little make and take.
Yeah.
She got everything already kind of set
I
up.
would do that. I would
Like a
give
little
some
wreath?
smaller bundles.
Yeah, no, it's going to be your own. So look over there. She
Okay.
got your own herb drying board.
That looks amazing.
I should tighten it. Good to know.
Yep, you can tighten the knot, or because it's a clothespin,
Yeah.
we could literally just probably like tie it around
Yes. Okay.
itself a couple just one time.
Yeah. Okay.
And I don't need
Oh, okay. Nice.
it just made it that much more taut. Yes, ma'am.
My herb, wrap, my drying wrap.
Anybody want pasta salad?
just like that. No, right, just like that. Just put it here. So you're gonna put your loop the same direction as the stem, and then you're gonna tie one of the strings, just one of them, around.
Oh, I see. Hold one.
Yep. Tie it around. Keep going. Nope, leave that straight. Yep. Because this is gonna let you do a knot. Yep. And put it through here. Leave that one there. Just put that. Yep, that one that you're working with. Put it through there. And now you have a sturdy knot and a safe knot around your herb.
Okay.
All right. And then you can.
I want to tighten that.
You have enough room, and you can tie it to your board a little easier.
Tie it to the board now with this piece.
Yes. Okay. Even though you have yours hanging, right? Either I would do more herbs,
Okay.
right? Or
Show me.
because
I got room for more?
you do. You have,
Oh, okay,
have,
good.
okay, so
Because I got more. I got this, and I want to do this.
Nope.
Oh, okay.
You just need room to make.
And I got two more I want to
itself.
put on anyway. Okay, gotcha.
So if you have more zip ties,
I thought I bought my colors.
Here you go some zip
I
ties.
am, but where are my colors?
No. This looks good. This all looks great.
Yeah. Oh, this.
Okay, so I like this. So this is your design. I see you. We gotta take care of our pineapple mint though. We did
I know.
Yes.
That hurt it. That hurt it.
And you want to leave this.
So, and then I have a lot of stomach trouble, so you know I'm going to really, yeah. So I make my own like ginger tea from scratch. I grate that ginger, boil it, and then I add a little lemon.
What
keep
works
it
for
in the
me
fridge.
isn't gonna work
and
for
I
you.
actually like it warm with no sugar, but now that she goes to stevia, I need one of those plants.
Nope, you don't
I know.
know.
That's what we need for the garden. I gotta talk.
She said, I don't know what I'm doing.
We need
Hers
stevia for the
yours is
garden.
as cute as can be. I don't know